We had an HVAC system installed a week ago in our home, but I guess what I have to say about Abacus is that from the beginning, we had to have several estimates to see which way we were going. Some were less, most were more, but that wasn't the driving thing. I wanted a Linux because I had had a Linux that had lasted a very long time. It was original with our house, 29 years. So I really wanted that. And the man who came to talk to me about it, Papa Mustafa, was just so sweet, so encouraging. So this is what we can do. You have to make your own decision kind of thing. But I didn't feel high pressured at all, which I would have hated. We talked about it, my husband and I. We went ahead and signed the contract. It was installed the next day. We'd been without heat for a week, so we were shocked that they could do that so soon. The people who installed were so proficient in what they did. They were polite, they answered questions because I always have questions. And then after the installation, how was it? Do you have any suggestions? What can we do to improve? I felt like I was in good hands. That's what I have to say about Abacus. All around, excellent. I would highly recommend Abacus to my family and my friends.
Abacus Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical. You can count on us.